2006, oh, well actually 2005 Brabus S600. It's pushing about 575 horsepower. Stock it's 500 with a 75 horsepower ECU chip upgrade. It's an engine push start. It's a V12 twin turbo. It's got the air ride suspension, 2 levels. That one pushes it up about an inch and a half, or probably about just about an inch, and then an inch and a half. ABC Sport mode. The acceleration and the pull on this car is unbelievable. I'll just show you a little bit right here. Let this car pass by. Tires spin a little bit there, but as you can see quickly, the car accelerates. Just go back around here. Start here. Hear turbos. Quickly, I mean, it just keeps wanting to pull and pull and pull, but as you can see there, we don't, we don't have much space here, but that's the power of the V12 and the turbos kicking in.